Welcome everyone, I'm Diana, and in this video we are making vegetable soup. Start by adding olive oil to a large pot, then wash and prepare all of your vegetables. I'm starting with the carrots, which I have washed, and then I'm going to peel them. I like to rinse them off again after I peel them. I'm going to chop off the ends, and then I'm going to slice them into coins. Thinly sliced, probably about 1/4 inch thick. Make sure you cut them pretty equally so that they'll cook at the same speed. Add the carrots to the pot. Then I'm going to grab my celery, which I have washed, break off the ends, and then slice those into small pieces about 1/4 inch thick as well. Add that to the pot. Then I'm dicing the onion. And adding that to the pot as well. The pot is cold when I'm adding the vegetables in. I turn the heat on after I get them all in there. I'm going to cook these over medium heat for about 10 minutes, making sure to stir it occasionally. I'm going to keep going until the vegetables have started to soften and the onions are starting to turn translucent. While those are cooking, I'm going to prepare my zucchini. I washed this, cut off the ends. Cut them in half lengthwise. Lay it flat, then cut them into equal slices. I'm also going to prepare my cabbage. I'm using half of a head of this large cabbage. I'm going to cut the core out of the cabbage. Wash it up and then cut them into slices that are about 1 inch thick. Separate the pieces so that they'll cook properly. And once the time is up on the carrot, celery, and onion, I'm going to add minced garlic and the zucchini and cabbage. Let those go for another 10 minutes, stopping to stir it occasionally. You want the cabbage and the zucchini to start to soften up a little bit. And then it's time to add green beans. I'm just using a can of green beans that I have drained, a can of whole kernel corn that I also drained, a can of fire roasted tomatoes. Leave the liquid on that. Add vegetable broth. I'm using 1 full carton and half of another carton. As well as seasonings. I'm using this Goya Adobo all-purpose seasoning, garlic powder, onion powder, a little bit of pink salt. Don't do too much because there's already salt in the broth. Black pepper. And a pinch of crushed red pepper flakes. Stir everything together, then raise the heat to high and bring it to a rolling boil. Once it's at a rolling boil, go ahead and drop the heat down to a simmer, about medium-low heat. Cover the pot and continue cooking for another 10 minutes or so, or just until the vegetables have softened to your liking. Make sure to stir the pot occasionally as it is cooking. You're mostly waiting for the cabbage and the zucchini to soften up. I like to taste a little bit, make sure it has softened up to my liking before I cut the heat. You can add any more seasonings at this point. Once those are where you want them to be, the soup is all done. It's a healthier dinner option that's quick enough to make on a weeknight. If you're interested in making it, you can find the details in the description. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoy it. See you next time.